And today we are taking a full, in-depth look at one of the most outrageous and fascinating concepts in the heavy-duty motorhome world. The 2026 GMC 6x6 armored motorhome, a vehicle that blurs the line between military-grade transport, ultra-luxury RV living, and survival-focused overland engineering. And throughout this video, we will explore its exterior design philosophy, interior living experience, powertrain and performance expectations, advanced technology systems, armored safety features, estimated pricing, financial considerations, ownership costs, purchase options, overall advantages, and finally, whether this machine makes sense for buyers in the United States who want something truly unmatched on the road. Starting with the exterior design, the 2026 GMC 6x6 armored motorhome immediately commands attention with its massive proportions, squared-off armored body panels, and unmistakable military-inspired silhouette that prioritizes function and intimidation over traditional RV aesthetics, featuring reinforced flat surfaces, minimal curves, thick armor-grade panels, and a tall stance that communicates durability and dominance, while still maintaining a refined premium finish consistent with GMC's professional-grade identity. And from the heavy-duty steel bumpers to the roof-mounted cargo systems, LED light bars, external storage modules, spare tire carriers, and reinforced side steps, every visual element suggests this vehicle was designed to operate in hostile environments while carrying the comfort of a luxury apartment on wheels. Moving inside to the interior experience, the cabin of the 2026 GMC 6x6 armored motorhome feels more like a high-end private jet lounge than a conventional RV, where premium leather sofas provide deep cushioning and long-distance comfort. Integrated smart lighting sets the mood for day or night travel, and the living area seamlessly connects to a fully functional kitchen equipped with an induction cooktop, modern electric stove options, high-capacity refrigerator, concealed storage, and solid surface countertops designed to withstand constant movement. While the bedroom area offers a spacious full-size bed with luxury bedding, ambient lighting, sound insulation, and privacy partitions that allow occupants to rest comfortably even while the vehicle is in motion. And the bathroom completes the living experience with a high-end toilet system, enclosed shower, modern sink, ventilation, and water management systems that rival upscale residential bathrooms, making this motorhome fully capable of supporting long-term off-grid living without sacrificing comfort or style. Under the hood and beneath the armored shell, the expected powertrain for the 2026 GMC 6x6 armored motorhome is built around a heavy-duty turbo diesel engine, most likely derived from GMC's commercial-grade Duramax platform, delivering massive torque figures designed to move the vehicle's extreme weight while towing additional loads and navigating steep terrain. And when combined with a reinforced automatic transmission, locking differentials, and a true six-wheel drive drivetrain, this motorhome is engineered to deliver exceptional traction, stability, and controlled power delivery across sand, snow, mud, and broken terrain, proving that performance here is not about speed, but about unstoppable forward momentum and mechanical reliability. From a driving dynamics and performance standpoint, the triple-axle 6x6 configuration dramatically improves weight distribution and ground contact, allowing the motorhome to remain stable at highway speeds while also maintaining traction in off-road scenarios where traditional RVs would immediately fail. And while acceleration will naturally be slower due to weight, the torque-focused engine ensures confident merging, climbing, and towing, supported by upgraded suspension systems, heavy-duty shocks, reinforced frames, and advanced braking systems that help manage the vehicle's mass safely under all driving conditions.